Well, the main challenge is that we are growing, which means that we have solved some problems and new problems are arising. What are the problems? Environmental. We have to move things in the center of the cities. The cities are already congested. So huge problems with traffic, huge problems with the environment. The other part is we have to service our clients. So we have to be at the house at specific hour in order to deliver. That's a challenge itself, and it produces a lot of other challenges behind it. And the third challenge is the geopolitical structure, let's say. We are in an unstable world that routes are closing, new routes have to open in order to have the supply chain functioning. So these are the main three big challenges. Solution, okay, digitization. My favorite one, because I'm in this digitization story from the beginning. We have a lot of things in front of us. You know, AI, it's here, but not yet completely understood. We have robotics. We might have drones. We have a lot of technology in logistics nowadays. So technology can help a lot. But in order to use technology, you have to have people that understand technology. So you have to educate, train the existing staff in logistics, certify them, and give the tools to do the miracles. eMobility is a very important story because you have somewhere to put the people that are interested in new technologies, in new ways in logistics and mobility, and try to communicate and try to bring different angles from the world combined to have the progress for the next day. So it's a nice place anyway. Valencia is, it's my first time. Valencia is a very nice place. I'm really impressed. And this exhibition and this congress is doing a lot for our industry.